One of the things that struck me first of all when we came to Sanssouci was the fact that there's such a cultural diversity here. In fact, you see that when you enter the Zone Club, because there's the vision statement up there and that mentions cultural diversity specifically. And we had half a day just to go and meet a few villages, and that struck me immediately. Yeah? We went from one household, which was a Brahmin household. We went to meet Rais, Limbus, Tamangs, some people who had been resettled from Bungklang. It was really a mix. Then another day we met with some Gurungs and Tamangs again. Yeah, the mix was very striking. And of course, when you are working on gender issues, you need to take into account the background of people. It's not just that there are differences between men and women, but that in different cultures, men and women may have different perceptions and different views of each other. As far as the workshop itself was concerned, well, we spent the first day really sort of discussing gender issues, and the second day we wanted to look about incorporating gender into activities and indicators in the planning scheme. When we got to that, we realised that the activities themselves and the indicators needed to be much more precise, more quantifiable, with baseline data from which one could get some figures. So we spent really the whole of the second day looking at how to make those activities more precise and the indicators precisely relating to them. But I think at the end of the day, people were happy that they'd had that exercise. I hope certainly that it will help in the planning for the future. So I think we had a good workshop, and I certainly enjoyed myself, and meeting a whole bunch of new people, young, enthusiastic GAOs who obviously are going to make a great contribution to the future of their country. So it was a good 2 days.